Welcome, in front of me is an ASUS Zenfone 8, and today I'll show you how to put the device into boot mode. And to get started, hold power key, select power off, and once the device turns off you want to hold power key and volume up. Both of the keys at the same time. And once you see the boot mode you can let go of the keys. So in this mode you will need to use the volume keys to navigate through different options, as you can see. And whenever you find whatever you want to select, confirm it with power key. So if I, for instance, want to leave this mode, I will select start, which will take me back to Android, and then power key to confirm that selection. Now going quickly over the options that are located in here, we have start, which like I said takes you to Android. Restart bootloader just reboots the place where you are right now and takes you back to it. Recovery mode, which obviously takes you to the recovery mode, and then we have power off option. So that's basically all we have here. So I'm just gonna select start and go back to Android. And there we go, as you can see we're now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.